Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to use Axe CRM tutorial for beginners. First is adding a new contact. For manual entry, navigate to the contact section and select new contact. Fill in the relevant details such as name, company, phone number, and email address. If you want to import contacts, use the import feature to bring them into Axe CRM seamlessly. Now on organizing contacts. Organize contacts by signing or assigning them to specific groups or companies, facilitating targeted communication and efficient management. Now on managing sales opportunities. In the opportunity section, click New Opportunity to log potential sales. Input details like the opportunity name, associated contact, sales stage, expected close date, and potential value. Utilize the sales pipeline view to monitor the progress of each opportunity, ensuring timely follows up and strategic decision making. Now on scheduling activities, tasks and appointments. Schedule follow-up calls, meetings, or tasks directly from a contact's record. This ensures all interactions are timely and well documented. Now on activity alarms. Set reminders for scheduled activities to stay on top of your commitments. And maintain consistent communication with clients. Lastly, utilizing Act CRM resources. Learning Center. Explore Axe Learning Center for comprehensive guides and tutorial to deepen your understanding of the platform. Training videos. Access the Axe Training Video Library for step-by-step instruction on various features. And that's basically it.